So ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you. Thank you so much for joining us. This is our first Geothermal Symposium, and it's nice to have all of you here with us today on September 25th. My name is Armagan Al-Haq. I am the Manager of Program Development and Partnerships at the Waterloo Institute for Sustainable Energy at University of Waterloo. I'll be your MC for today. So I would like to start the event with a couple of quotes. So let's talk about innovation. Innovation has nothing to do with how many R&D dollars you have. When Apple came up with the Mac, IBM was spending at least 100 times more on R&D. It's not about money, it's about the people you have, how you are led and how much you get it. Talking about people. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. And today we have one with us. And she has shown us several times that leadership is about impact, influence, and inspiration. The quality of a leader is reflected in the standards they set for themselves, and she has set the bar pretty high. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. And I would like to welcome the Honorable VP of Research, Charmaine Dean.
What an introduction, Mugan. I don't think that administrators typically get that sort of introduction. In fact, people usually shy away from the room when they approach. Welcome to you all, and thank you for joining us here at Waterloo at the Geothermal Symposium hosted by the Waterloo Institute for Sustainable Energy. Today's symposium, as Mugan says, is innovative. It's the first of its kind at Waterloo, and as I understand, the first of its kind likely in Canada. So that just shows the innovative thinking that's coming to the fore from, I guess, all of you here in the room and also the conference organizers, some of whom are at the table here, and Mugan and the leaders of the Waterloo Institute. I'm going to pinpoint two reasons that this area is very different and very interesting, and also these two reasons illustrate the sorts of challenges that the area faces. The first is on the academic side. This area is definitely in the realm of interdisciplinary research, not just from the areas that are brought together, but from Canada's north all the way down to our borders with the US, from the different kinds of faculties that need to be involved, from industry and academia who must work together to advance this area. This is also impinging on a whole variety of peripheral activities that are peripheral but yet core. So this institute links in with the Water Institute, the Institute for Quantum Computing, and a lot of other institutes here at the University of Waterloo that rely on an interdisciplinary approach so that they can draw challenges and solutions from each other. We have geothermal expertise in a variety of areas on campus: engineering, science, environment, and arts, geomechanical experts, next generation building designers, energy policy leaders. We have 30 labs associated with geothermal energy, and an impressive range of research and equipment, all showing again how so many different fields contribute to this area. So the second reason, and this is an obvious and critical reason, is that geothermal energy is really important for our planet. It's particularly timely in terms of the study of it, highly relevant as energy and global energy transitions to a low-carbon economy become very important. Geothermal energy is capable of providing an important element within the overall solution. It's a low-carbon, abundant source of energy. So in that spirit, I trust that this symposium will be very helpful to you, not just understanding how to work in an interdisciplinary context, but understanding and working with NRCan and various government partners here to drive home how important this is for Canada and the world's future. So I'd also like to note, and I'm sure this will be noted later on, that you come from a whole variety of different areas and places on Earth. So you're a small crowd, so I'm sure you will get to know each other very well. But we've got people here from the US, from England, from Germany, from Iceland, from Iran, from China, and a whole variety of different parts of the world. I'd like to thank you personally, as a citizen, for your work in this area, for coming together here to try to find solutions to challenges, and for your interest in advancing work in this really important area of research. So thank you, Armugan. I would love to be here today. In fact, one of my very first industrial projects was working on geothermal. I'm a statistician. I moved into the biostatistics realm, but I first started off doing some analytics for companies that work on geothermal. So I would have loved to have been here, but they've got chains around my feet dragging me all areas of campus. I hope that you profit substantially in terms of a lot of different ways from this conference, and do, Armugan, give them time to enjoy the last bits of summer outside. Thank you very much.